What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day, starting out the day on HEDGECONNECT. So HEDGECONNECT is another ICO that actually launches tomorrow, January 20th. I will tell you right now that I have not invested anything into this ICO, but what I thought was cool is that for new registrations, they give you 5 free HEDGECONNECT coins. So that's why I signed up, guys. So I just wanted to show you that. I'm not entirely sure of the HEDGECONNECT ICO. I haven't done a ton of research. From what I understand, it's going to be like a cryptocurrency hedge fund where they will take whatever you invest with them and invest it into different platforms. I know they have a big partnership with DAVORCOIN, and so they'll probably be investing in DAVORCOIN with your money. And instead of investing as an individual into different platforms, you're going to be grouped together with a group of people and investing all together in one big pot to probably get bigger rewards and bigger money back. So as far as I understand, that's what they're doing. I don't have plans to invest in it. However, I did sign up just to get my 5 free coins. So I'll put a link down below for you guys so you can get your 5 free coins as well. And we'll see if they go up a little bit, then you've made a little bit of money that you can sell or invest in their platform, whatever. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So now let's come over to LENDEX, an ICO that I will be investing heavily in. So I'm really excited about the LENDEX. They did a little update. So if you logged in yesterday to the dashboard, I made a video yesterday talking about how it launches on the 20th, which would be tomorrow. However, they did extend their time by 13 days. So now it's about 12 days, 20 hours. We're just going to look at the reason why they did this. So first and foremost, we here at LENDEX would like to thank you for all your support. Since inception, our goal has been to provide you with nothing less than the industry standard in platform functionality. Our experience has taught us that all successful ICOs require a great team behind it, which I agree they have. Their team has been awesome, really great at answering support stuff. They even have a live chat here on their website, which has been awesome to answer any questions that I've had. And B, seamless state-of-the-art platform functionality. And those of you who have already signed up and made a LENDEX account, you will notice that their platform is pretty much seamless. They've got everything covered. They have no loading errors. Their website works great, and that obviously draws a lot of attention. When we see a professional communicative team behind an ICO, a lot of people are flocking to it. And they've already had so many registrations and people signing up, you know, over 33,000 already registered users who are going to be buying when this ICO launches, and there's another estimated big group of people that are taking interest and going to be signing up. They've noticed with past ICOs that have launched that usually the websites get overloaded when there's this many registers and stuff, so they basically moved their ICO back to February 1st, and they want to improve their platform even more. They have agreed that the start date, Thursday, February 1st, is both prudent and essential. This minimum amount of time allows us to take our already capable platform to the next level, a level by which we here at LENDEX, as previously noted, strive to set the industry standard for premium platform functionality, thereby providing us with the greatest opportunity for success on ICO day. So they really are being anal and looking through every detail of their website, making sure everything works perfectly, that it can handle large amounts of traffic, guys. So nothing to worry about the delay of the ICO. It actually gives me a little bit more time to collect some more Bitcoin together to invest. So I'm actually excited that it's pushed back because it gives me more time to invest. A lot of you guys were like, whoa, you're just telling us about this in 2 days. We don't have enough money to invest right now. There you go, guys. They've already pushed it back to February 1st. So if you were wanting to invest in it but weren't sure you had enough money to invest the amount you wanted to, now they pushed it back a little bit. So you should have some more time to get some Bitcoin together. I'm excited about that. This means that I'm going to be able to buy more coins. Now my goal is probably to buy over 1,000, possibly 2,000 if some other investment stuff comes in and more returns come in. I would love to get at least 2,000 of these coins. So that's my goal. And the cool thing is that if you deposit before January 21st, which is going to be this Sunday, 12 a.m. So if you invest between now and tomorrow night, basically, you get a free 10% LENDEX coin bonus. All I mean when I say invest into it is transfer either Bitcoin or Ethereum over. So we here at LENDEX have also agreed upon awarding anyone who has signed up and deposited or will deposit Bitcoin Ethereum up until Sunday, January 21st at 12 a.m. a free 10% LENDEX coin bonus on all purchases of LENDEX coin. So that's really cool. So they're taking note of those who have already deposited Bitcoin or Ethereum into the program. So I'm definitely going to get some in there so I get that 10% bonus when I buy their ICO on February 1st. So that's our little thank you for our patience of eagerly waiting this awesome ICO. If you're unfamiliar with how to invest, guys, you can sign up down below with the link. You have your dashboard here, and to get ready so you get this 10% bonus, you come to the wallet. deposits and withdrawals. And then here you can deposit Bitcoin, you click deposit and you have a Bitcoin address here. Or if you have Ethereum, you can generate your Ethereum address and you have that there. So you can send that over to the platform. I'll be doing that here in the next couple days, at least a little bit, so I get that 10% bonus. All right, guys, so yeah, I'm really excited about the LENDEX ICO. So with that, guys, let's head over to our random comment picker. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. To enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment a question with your Litecoin address down below. So winner is Nathan Matman Vargas. I think LENDEX is good to buy. I do too, man. I think everyone who invests in it should have a nice profit. So let's send you your Litecoin. Looks like your Litecoin address checks out. Here is $10 worth of Litecoin coming at you. All right, man, here's your Litecoin. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in to today's video. I'm really excited. We hit over 900 followers. I think we're at like 908 as I speak right now. Probably when this launches, there'll be even more. We are almost to 1,000 followers. So as soon as we hit 1,000 followers, I'm going to do a special 1,000 subscriber video where I give away $50 worth of Litecoin. So I'm going to be choosing 5 people, and each of those people are going to get $10 worth of Litecoin. So I'm really excited about getting to 1,000 followers. If you are too, tell your friends about the channel and let them know to come subscribe so we get there faster, so we get to that giveaway faster. Also, be sure to check out HEDGECONNECT. I'll put a link down below. Like I said, it's not an ICO that I'm going to invest in. However, they are giving away 5 free coins. So I will take free coins anytime I can. So I'm just showing you guys for the fun of it to get those 5 free coins. But I am really excited about the LENDEX Coin ICO, guys. So definitely check out, sign up for the LENDEX Coin ICO. Get ready. I think this is going to be a huge ICO right at the beginning of February, launching February 1st. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment your Litecoin address down below with a question tagged along with it to enter you to win tomorrow's Litecoin giveaway. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.